If you don't have clients yet, it's not because you're bad at what you do. It's because you don't have a system. Welcome to Purposefully AI, where we turn simple systems into real income. If you've been experimenting with AI tools but haven't made $1 yet, this is for you. We'll go from zero to your first paying client using ChatGPT as your assistant. The first crucial step is to choose one simple service. This is where most beginners go wrong. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to offer everything at once. This leads to overwhelm and unclear marketing. Instead, pick one narrow service businesses already pay for. Think product descriptions, social media captions, or short video scripts. They require clarity and speed, not advanced skills. Remember, one service, one offer, one client. Let's use social media captions as our example. Next, let's use ChatGPT to clearly define your service offer. Open ChatGPT and ask it to help you create a simple freelance service offer for your chosen niche, such as social media captions for small businesses. Ask the AI to include 3 key elements: what you do, who it's for, and the specific result the client gets. This output will become your clear, powerful offer description. Now let's create a portfolio, even if you have 0 experience. You do not need permission or prior work to create a sample. Just ask ChatGPT to write 5 engaging, friendly social media captions for a local business, like a bakery. Put those captions into a clean Google Doc or a Canva page. That's your proof of ability, something concrete to show, and your instant portfolio. Next, tackle the part where most people freeze, the outreach message. Ask ChatGPT to write a short, friendly outreach message offering your service to a small business owner, making sure it's helpful and non-pushy. Don't overthink it. You now have a simple message to copy and send. An important rule: send 10 targeted messages, not 100. Focus on quality conversations via Instagram DMs, email, or Facebook business pages to start building trust. Once someone says yes, it's time to deliver. ChatGPT becomes your delivery engine. Ask the AI to write the specific deliverable for your client, like 10 Instagram captions for their business type, maintaining the desired tone. Review the output, make light edits, and deliver on time. Clients care that the work is done well and fast, not how it was made. This builds trust and momentum. For pricing, don't overthink it. Your goal is proof, not perfection. Start with $25 to $50 for a small, clear package. No upsells yet. Your first client creates the necessary momentum to grow. That's the simple system. One service, one offer, one outreach. ChatGPT helps you think, write, and deliver, but you still have to take the necessary action. If you want the exact prompts and workflows used in this video, download the free AI Money Starter Kit linked below. Subscribe to Purposefully AI for more videos on turning AI into real income. Simple systems, real income.